think it's wrong. D-boy fresh with it on, know how I pop out. Bullshit not important, what I'ma pop out. Don't play with the... Someone come on, throw my heart, I think it's wrong.
God damn. It's vibrating the seats because the key is not in here. That's crazy. Okay, how do I turn on the wipers? Put on the wipers real quick. Okay. Where's Chris? I can't see shit, guys. How do I turn on the wipers? How do I turn on the... Oh, like that. Oh, it's up. Okay. I got you. Dog, I couldn't figure out how to turn on the wipers. I couldn't see shit. I was like, wait, I can't see shit. All right. Just manual? How do I put in manual? Oh, M. Okay. Chris, that shit has power, bro. How did it sound from outside?
Really good.
Oh, yeah?
It sounded really good in here. Like the...
Oh, it was echoing.
Yeah.
I heard the pops right there.
I heard the pops when you were spinning it.
Yeah? All right, guys, it's raining kind of hard, so it's not going to be a full POV drive. We're not going to go hard at all because this thing is like $100,000. I already got one broken car, don't want to. But because it's wet, it means it won't affect the tires too much. That's the good part about it. But I turn off the lights. All right, ready? Are you recording for your phone or no?
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right, bet.
Bro, I'm so fucking scared.
He said also, my workers don't like sliding.
I don't like being a passenger.
I don't like being a passenger either. I hate that shit. You ready?
Yeah.
You should record your face.
No.
Every time it changes gear, it grip. You feel it?
Yeah.
Every time it changes gear, it like grips a little bit, then it goes back. Alright. If I flew, it's just gonna spin up. God damn! It won't grip this whole drive, bro.
No, for sure.
It's not even worth trying to make it grip because it will not grip this whole drive. Normally, guys, we'd be flying down here, but we're not gonna do that at all. We're just gonna try and just slide it a little bit, though. Ready? You like cut the power when you're shifting gear? I like that. Reason being, it won't kill you. I feel dog.
Scary though.
That's a lot of water. I like it though, bro. It's like direct.
It's like the what?
Direct, like the way it turns in. Okay, slow it down. Rain's coming down harder. We got like 2 more corners and then we're done. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, yeah, guys, trust me, go follow my boy Oh My Caddy. That's what I call him, but his Instagram is Karma Caddy V. Go follow his IG and you'll see some dope content, some dope pics of the whip, right?
Yeah. Oh shit.
This thing will not get grip. We're just gonna bring it back to the house, guys, because it won't get grip at all. No, to the limits is in here. He won't pull out. Let's bring it back to the crib, dog. It will not grip. That's like a quarter gas, bro. Literally quarter gas, bro. God damn. Bro, I love this car though, I ain't gonna lie. I low-key hear the supercharger whine sometimes.
I can hear it when
Yeah.
you're driving more. I've been hearing it a lot more recently. And then also, it's been popping a lot more recently.
After you did like the exhaust more?
No, the exhaust, I bought it like that with the Corsa cap I got it already.
Yeah, but you brought it to the exhaust and did something, right?
No.
You didn't do anything?
No.
Oh, so it's just like the way it came.
This is exactly how it came.
Okay, with the Corsa.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, 640 horsepower, 640 torque?
Yeah, 640, 620, I think.
640, 620?
I think. 640, 6 something.
No, I think it's 640, 640.
Is it?
Yeah,
I know,
because
I know
it's
Z06 is
650, 650. Yeah.
Maybe.
And this is 640, 640.
Maybe, probably.
Bro, remember, I used to want this before the Hellcat. The only reason I didn't buy this over Hellcat is because it's his dream car. So I was like, can't buy it.
I appreciate it. What is that? Oh, it's
Way too much water. Way too much rain. Like, goddamn. Well, at least we got to slide a little bit. We go in second gear. Ready? I'm off floor. It will not grip. It will not grip for shit, bro.
Yeah.
I mean,
you're running with one tire, basically.
he said running with one tire.
When we get out, you'll look at it, bro. It's actually like
That one is done?
there. Yeah.
I feel like it shifts faster than a Corvette, though.
I
It's
think
not
it
gonna
shifts
take
really
too
slow.
long for me to go down and make a U-turn. Huh?
I think it shifts really slow.
But the Corvette is even more delayed. Like, you see how quick it shifts?
Yeah.
The Corvette would be like 2 more seconds then shift. That's why I said I'd buy a manual Z06, because it takes too long to shift. I don't get that, Chevy. You make a 650 horsepower engine, 650 torque, but yet still the shifts are so delayed. And in the Corvette, the new C8, that shit is instant. Guys, we made it back. A little short and spicy video, man. Check out my boy Karma Caddy V, because he got that badass caddy. Look at him smiling. Dancing through. Turning. Oh, the pops. Vibrating
when
the
the key
key.
comes out, or when it starts getting close to something.
Yeah, it vibrates the seat.
Yeah.
But the last one, that's good, because the last one, remember I had your key and you drove all the way home?
Yeah.
And it didn't vibrate the seat, right?
The last one had the vibrating seat function, the same shit, but I guess they didn't do
It didn't work? Or it didn't have
No,
it
it
for the
worked.
key?
Like when I pulled up, I get close to some shit, the seat will start to vibrate, but that's the only time it does it.
Yeah? Oh, but it didn't do it for the key. Bro,
No.
this shit looks sick. The way there's a whole camera, look. It's a whole Hellcat. God damn.
And that camera looks so much better than this camera. I don't fucking understand that.
Right, bro? I need a picture of that. God damn. I mean, guys, this was the V, man. Wait, if I put it in reverse, it still shows? Yeah. Hear from inside first, guys, and then he gonna hop over a rivet. I feel like it's pop.
It is.
We got a soft limiter. Oh, we got a soft limiter though. God damn. Okay, I gotta get it from outside, dog. Guys, again, follow my boy Karma Caddy V. This shit is sick. Ready? All right, my boy, Chris, do a rivet. Ooh. God damn. Yes, sir. Oh shit. Yo, stay tuned for the video. That shit sounds sick.